Hello my dear students, once again welcome back on the continuation of chapter 2 in chemistry, that is elements, compounds and mixtures. Today I would like to explain you compounds, characteristics of compounds, atom, characteristics of atoms, molecule, characteristics of molecules and differences between an atom and a molecule. For this you can refer to page number 23 to 26 in your textbook. Now what are compounds? Compounds are pure substances made up of atoms of two or more different kind of elements which are chemically combined in a fixed ratio, and the components of the compounds cannot be separated by any physical means, but they can be separated by chemical means. As you can see here the example, common salt or sodium chloride is a compound because it is made up of two elements, sodium and chlorine, which are chemically combined in a fixed ratio, that is 1:1. One atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. And the properties of common salt or sodium chloride are entirely different with the properties of sodium and chlorine. Sodium chloride or common salt is a hard crystalline solid. Crystalline solid means solid having definite geometrical shape, whereas your sodium is a soft metal which can be caught with a knife, whereas chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. It is an acidic gas because it turns blue litmus paper red. Here sodium chloride or common salt is a compound because it is made up of two elements, sodium and chlorine. Similarly, water is a compound because it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, and these elements are chemically combined in a fixed ratio 2:1, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. And the properties of water are entirely different with the properties of hydrogen and oxygen. Water is a compound whereas hydrogen and oxygen are elements. Water is a liquid whereas hydrogen and oxygen are gases. Water is used as a fire extinguisher. It means that water puts out fire, whereas hydrogen gas is a combustible gas and oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Here water is a compound, so because it is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, sugar. Sugar is a compound because it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These elements are chemically combined in a fixed ratio 12:22:11. 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen and 11 atoms of oxygen. Here the properties of sugar are entirely different with the properties of this constituent element. Sugar is a hard crystalline solid. Carbon is a solid. Hydrogen and oxygen are gases. And next your characteristics of compounds. Compound is a pure substance. A compound has same chemical composition and same properties, and the components of the compounds cannot be separated by any physical means. Energy is either absorbed or released during the formation of a compound. Here the properties of compounds are entirely different with the properties of their constituent elements. Next, atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence. Now next your characteristic of atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. Number 2, which may or may not have independent existence. The atoms of the most elements are highly reactive and they do not exist as free state. Atoms of one element are alike in all respects. Atoms of one element are different with the atoms of other element. Atoms maintain its properties during all the physical and chemical changes. Next, molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which has independent existence. Now next here, characteristic of molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. A molecule is formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same element or atoms of the different element. A molecule of the substance can be represented by molecular formula. A molecule, atoms in a molecule are held together by a chemical bond. Chemical bond means a force which develops between the combining atoms. Now next, what are the differences between an atom and a molecule? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. An atom may or may not have independent existence, whereas a molecule has an independent existence. Atoms can neither be seen through naked eyes nor a powerful microscope. A molecule is not visible to naked eyes, but it can be visible under a powerful microscope. An atom is consists of nucleus and electrons. Now nucleus is the central part of an atom, and nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles, neutrons are neutral particles, and electrons are the negatively charged particles of an atom, which are formed in the orbit of the cells of an atom. Whereas a molecule is consists of atoms of the same element or the atoms of different elements. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you.